Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can download Facebook web on your PC. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. To do this, you have a good internet connected with your PC, so you can do it with fast speed and it's gonna be boom, like in seconds your account will be downloaded. So let's do it. Open up any browser that you like, and then you have to do is search over here facebook.com. You have to simply open it up like I will show you. You have to simply search over here Facebook and then click on enter, and then you will comes in this page. You have to simply do is click on this on the top link. It's official link of Facebook, so you have to do is simply click on this and then comes in this page, and you have to do is simply download the web of Facebook. So you have to do is you click on this option over here, install Facebook. Once you click on this, it's gonna be like pop-ups over here on the top. You will see you have to simply click on install button, and once you click on the install button, it's gonna be installed in your PC as well. You can see over here this link, you can see it's downloaded now and you can use it from here. So as you can see, it's pop up over here as well. Your Facebook account is saved over here in your pin or like tab bar as well, so you can simply use it from here. Once you close this, you can access it from here. So as you can see, you can simply log in your account over here and then use it, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.